I wish better time to all my students. Let's begin our today's English online class. Today we are going to do exercise number 3.5 related to chapter 3, and the topic is the subject and the predicate. In this exercise, complete the following sentences by using appropriate subjects. Now class, you see that predicates are given here and we have to fill in the blanks with the help of suitable subject so that these sentences may be completed. At first place, dash teaches us English. Who teaches us English? You can mention the name, or as I am mentioning is here, Mr. Hari. Mr. Hari Das teaches us English. At the second place we are having dash is the king of jungle. It's so simple. Lion is the king of jungle. Dash should not strain your eyes by reading in bad light. Now students, some will say that here we can add I, here we can add V, but you have to go for the complete sentence first. Dash should not strain your eyes. Your is given here. So you will fill the subject you. You should not strain your eyes by reading in bad light. Next is fourth one. Dash need oxygen to live. Who needs oxygen to live? All of us. हम सभी को चाहिए ऑक्सीजन. All of us. सभी को चाहिए. All living things need oxygen to live. Maybe animal, bird or human beings. Fifth is dash give us fruits, timber and firewood. Who gives? Trees. Here you will mention the word trees. Plural word will be given because here singular verb is there. Trees give. At number 6, dash was caught and sent to jail. Who was caught? The thief. चोर पकड़ा गया था और उसे जेल में भेज दिया गया था. The thief was caught and sent to jail. At number 7, dash was written by Tulsidas. Now Ram Charitra Manas was written by Tulsidas. Ramcharit Manas. This was the epic that was written by Tulsidas. At number 8, dash works in a factory. Who works? You can say worker works in a factory, or you can mention my father works in a factory. Anything you can mention here. My father works in a factory. Dash defeated the villain and rescued the princess. Who? The prince. The prince, Rajkumar. Prince means Rajkumar. The prince defeated the villain and rescued. Rescued होता है save करना. The princess. 10th, dash told the patient to take some rest. Now, who will advise the patient to take some rest? Of course, the doctor. The doctor told the patient to take some rest. So this was your exercise number 3.5. Here you have to fill appropriate subjects to make the sentence meaningful. Thanks for watching the video class. Keep on learning. Good.